Hey, welcome back to Fluent English Podcast, the podcast where we turn your English from good to unforgettable. I'm your host, Maya, your bestie on this journey to sounding smart, confident, and super fluent in English. So, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're stuck using the same words again and again? Like, always saying, very good, nice, I think, I don't know. Yeah, we've all been there. But not today, my friend. Today, I'm giving you some advanced daily vocabulary that you can use in your conversations to sound natural, modern, and just a little bit cooler. And don't worry, I'll also give you examples, just like a conversation. Ready? Let's jump in. Word 1, articulate. Meaning, able to express your thoughts clearly and effectively. Example sentence. I admire how she's always so articulate during meetings. Her points are sharp and easy to understand. Mini tip. Instead of saying, she speaks well, say, she's articulate. Boom, smart. Word 2, meticulous. Meaning, very careful and detailed. Example sentence. He's meticulous with his work. Every detail is perfect. Use this when you want to compliment someone's careful nature instead of just saying, careful, or perfect. Word 3, overwhelmed. Meaning, feeling like there's too much to do or handle. Real talk example. Honestly, I've been so overwhelmed lately with deadlines and family stuff. I need a break. See how real that sounds? It's better than just saying, I'm busy. Word 4, insightful. Meaning, showing deep understanding or ideas. Example sentence. Your comment during the discussion was really insightful. It made me think. Instead of saying, good idea, say, insightful point. People notice these things. Word 5, repetitive. Meaning, happening again and again, sometimes boring. My job is so repetitive these days, I need a new challenge. That's way better than just saying, my work is boring. Word 6, compelling. Meaning, very interesting or convincing. That documentary was so compelling, I couldn't stop watching. Use this instead of just, interesting. It's more powerful and impressive. Word 7, get in touch. Meaning, contact someone. Let's get in touch next week and finalize the plan. More natural than, talk to you, or, meet again. Word 8, break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation in a friendly way, especially with someone new. I told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. This phrase is great in social or office situations. Word 9, catch off guard. Meaning, surprise someone when they're not ready. That question totally caught me off guard, I didn't know what to say. Instead of just saying, I was surprised, try this. Word 10, step up. Meaning, take responsibility or take action. When the manager was absent, she really stepped up and handled everything. Great phrase for work or leadership moments. Phew, that was a power pack of real-world vocabulary. Let's quickly repeat the 10 words before we wrap up. Quick recap. 1, articulate. 2, meticulous. 3, overwhelmed. 4, insightful. 5, repetitive. 6, compelling. 7, get in touch. 8, break the ice. 9, catch off guard. 10, step up. Now, your mission is simple. Pick 3 of these and use them today. Yes, today. In a text, a call, or even to talk to yourself in the mirror. No shame. You don't just learn English by listening, you learn by using it. Until next time, this is Maya, reminding you. Every word you learn is a new door you can open. Keep speaking, keep growing, and keep shining.